Excuse me, is this seat available?
Yes, it is. Please go ahead.
Thanks. It's quite busy today.
It usually is around this time.
I didn't expect it to be this crowded.
Mornings are always like this, especially on weekdays.
That makes sense.
Do you come here often?
Not really. This is actually my first time.
Oh, welcome then.
Thanks. I like the atmosphere already.
Yes, it's one of my favorite cafes.
What did you order?
I ordered a caramel latte.
That sounds good.
It's my usual choice.
Nice. I went with a cappuccino.
Good choice. Their cappuccino is excellent.
I've heard good things about this place.
Yes, their drinks are very consistent.
That's important.
Absolutely. Nobody likes unpredictable coffee.
Are you working or just relaxing?
A bit of both, actually.
Same here.
Do you often work from cafes?
Sometimes. It helps me stay focused.
Interesting. I usually get distracted in public places.
Really?
Yes, I tend to people watch too much.
That's understandable.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in digital marketing.
That sounds interesting.
It is, but it can be demanding.
I can imagine.
Things change very quickly in my field.
That must keep you busy.
It definitely does. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a project coordinator.
That sounds like a responsible position.
Yes, it involves a lot of organization.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, for the most part.
What do you like about it?
I like working with different teams.
That's nice.
Every project is different.
That probably keeps things interesting.
Exactly.
What's the most challenging part of your job?
Managing deadlines and expectations.
That sounds stressful.
It can be at times.
How do you usually handle pressure?
I try to stay organized.
That's a good strategy.
I've learned that planning ahead helps a lot.
I completely agree.
What about you?
I try to prioritize my tasks.
That's smart.
Do you prefer working in the morning or evening?
Definitely in the morning.
Really, I'm more productive at night.
That's interesting.
Yes, I feel more creative in the evening.
I lose energy by then.
We're the opposite.
Seems like it.
By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
That's convenient.
Yes, I love this neighborhood.
Me too. It's lively but not too noisy.
Exactly.
How long have you lived here?
About a year now.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's been a positive change.
What do you like most about the area?
There are many cafes, parks, and restaurants.
That's always a plus.
Yes, everything is within walking distance.
That's ideal.
Do you enjoy trying new cafes?
Yes, I love exploring different places.
Same here.
I think each cafe has its own personality.
That's true.
Some places are better for work, others for relaxing.
Exactly.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like going to the gym and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly dramas and documentaries.
Interesting. I prefer comedies.
Comedies are great for relaxing.
Exactly.
Do you come to cafes alone often?
Yes, I actually enjoy it.
Really?
Yes, it's a good way to unwind.
I usually meet friends here.
That's nice too. Oh, my drink is ready.
Perfect timing.
It was really nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you as well.
Maybe we'll run into each other again.
I hope so.
Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your coffee.